Umasipala wesifunda eGoli uqhubele kuWard 17 Ward 18 umkhankaso wawo obizwa nge-Operation Restore nobekwenzeka-ke ngezithuba zasekuseni namuhla lapho kohlose khona ukuthuthukisa indlela yokuhambisa ingqalasizinda noma ngathi izidingo zomphakathi ngokuthi-ke uvale izisele emgwaqweni kanye nokulungiswa kwengqalasizinda yokuthuthwa kwendle ukuze-ke izakhamuzi zizohlala ey'ndaweni ey'phephile nezisemgangathweni. Ilungu lekomidi lemeya kumasipala eGoli elibhekele ezokuthutha uKenny Kunene nokunguye kobehola lomkhankaso wenxuseke izakhamizi ukuthi-ke isebenzisane nalomkhandlu dolobha bebike ney'ndawo ey'senkingeni mashinyane. Ukunene bese egcizelela ukuthi-ke abakubeke eqhulwini bewumkhandlu noma ngathi-ke ukulungisa imigwaqo ebheke ey'koleni nasey'bhedlela.
Isixeko saseGoli sibambe iphulo logqithiso lwenkonzo ekuquka kulo ukulungiswa kwemicelimngeni elindle kunye nokuvalwa kwemingxunya ezindleleni nelichazwe njengenxalenye yemizamo yesixeko ukuphucula ingingqi.
We are here now. We know potholes are all over. As the councillor has said, the rainy season is an enemy of the roads. Coupled with that is our road infrastructure that is too old. Our road infrastructure that is damaged underground. That's why we also have sinkholes. The devilish, evil Zamazamas also contribute to these sinkholes because they are mining underground without proper technical work and therefore collapse our road infrastructure. So I am engaging national departments to see if we cannot get additional funding so that we can respond to these challenges.
Ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu ebelikhokheleli iphulo uKenny Kunene uthi baceba ukubeka phambili ulungiso lwendlela ezibalulekileyo esoleka ngelithi ukuthwalisa uxanduva iziphathamandla yenye kwizinto ezihamba phambili ekuza kugxilwa kuzo.
I said to the teams, as we go into 2026 and we respond to the challenges of road infrastructure that's damaged, let us prioritize economic routes. Let us prioritize main roads that go into our townships, into our suburbs. Let's prioritize streets that take our communities into their schools, primary schools, universities, high schools, TVET colleges. Let us prioritize those roads also to fix. Let us also prioritize roads that take our people to police stations, to churches, to clinics, to hospitals. We have to hold the officials accountable, especially where political oversight has given a particular directive. It is a very simple directive. I don't want to see potholes on economic routes.
Amalungu asekuhlaleni ayacelwa ukuba axele ngokukhawuleza xa kukho imingxunya ethile okanye iindlela ezonakeleyo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eEldorado.